Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some magnets for the car, and these are delivery driver magnets for car. Makes sense? So if you're trying to go and park, if you're doing the delivery and you're trying to park at one of the stores or restaurants or something like that, and they're giving you a hard time saying, don't park in that spot, it's for delivery drivers. Well, you go and just slap one of those on your car and you're good to go. It's even got a little picture with Amazon and Prime on it. Look like that. So I can just put it on my car on the side if I wanted to. Actually, is that even metal? I don't know which things are metal on my car, but this is definitely metal. That's metal. So you just stick it on, and you have this one here. It says delivery driver, and then we have this one here. It's like this is just a single one. Makes frequent stops, so I can put that one on the back of the car, but it'll just slap on the magnet as well. So you got these two different styles. Looks like there's two of these and one of these, and sticks it up onto any of the metal parts. So very cool. I like it. It's very good. Thumbs up.